ONGOAL has ingenuity to build the new generation of high-efficiency pulping system, which includes power feeding module, liquid feeding module, and a high-efficiency pulping module. The high-efficiency pulping is divided into powder mixing module, dispersion pulping module, and double liquid circulation modules. The system completes whole process in 5 stages. Power feeding stage.
Powder is fed to the system by a bulk bag on packing station,
and then conveyed to a metering vane by negative pressure system,
and then conveyed by positive pressure
to the top mixing buffer bin of dispersion module by set proportions.
After a certain period of mixing, the material in the mixing buffer bin reaches full
homogenization. Liquid feeding stage.
Various formulated liquid is metered and conveyed into the circulation tank A,
and the liquid circulates among the circulation tank A, the pump, and the pulping system.
At this time, a negative pressure is created in the power conveying pipe. Powder liquid mixing stage. The mixing and dispersion modules of this system are designed with separate channels. The slurry is first sheared and thin and then mixed and discharged. As the powder is gradually entering, the liquid becomes a high viscosity suspension. After powder feeding completed, the slurry continues to be uniformly dispersed in the system.
Cyclic dispersion stage. The slurry repeats the double cycling until required quality parameters are reached. Emptying and cleaning stage. The dispersed slurry is pumped to the transit tanks for the next process. After equipment is stopped, the system can undertake a CIP cleaning.